Recently, CNBC Andrew Rothschild interviewed economist Nassim Taleb, the famed author of Black Swan events, which are unplanned or highly unexpected moments of change. It's a great interview worth watching, but I completely agree with Mr. Taleb's assessment that crypto is not a currency right now and trades more like an equity. I also agree with his assessment that cryptocurrency acts and behaves more like a Ponzi scheme. Now, I know that's going to create a lot of feedback, but I'm reminded of a form of mass gambling I witnessed in the 1980s called the pyramid scheme, a classic Ponzi scheme that relied on new investors paying off old ones. A letter would read, "Put $100 into this pyramid and work your way to the top with a $20,000 payday." As you can imagine, early investors cashed out big and later investors lost it all. Some winners reinvested into new pyramids while others bought a new car or something with tangibility. Three things were for sure. 1, everywhere you went, people were talking about pyramid riches, and fear of missing out was dialed into 100 on the scale. 2, the US government was not getting any tax revenue from this gambling, nor do they like scams on their citizens, unless they're the ones doing the scamming. 3, when it was all over and a few years passed, people jokingly referred to the mania and their participation, while others cried having lost their life savings to speculation. The Japanese government, where the pyramid scheme started, banned them from being used, and the US government soon followed, and today they might still exist, but not on the scale they once held with speculators and gamblers. So governments can shut down schemes, and what would prevent them from shutting down cryptocurrency use? Everyone is a citizen of some country, and if that country bans their use, then someone might fear jail time as a criminal. And getting caught is harder with crypto, but a government ban would surely crimp its widespread usage.